Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest update on how to edit your profile photo on Discord using your PC. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it to open the User Settings menu. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the My Account section. This is where you can manage your account information, including your profile picture. Now, to edit your user profile, click on Edit User Profile. This will open up the options for your profile customization. Here comes the fun part. Click on Change Avatar. A prompt will appear, giving you the option to upload an image from your computer. Choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've selected it, click Open. This will upload your chosen photo to Discord. After uploading, you can make any additional adjustments. Move or scale the image until you're happy with how it looks. When you're satisfied, click Apply to confirm your changes. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it to update your profile with the new image. And there you have it. Your Discord profile photo is now updated and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. See you next time.